tottakin.
ดิการ
Thì bạn ít
ស្រនងខែប្រាំងបងស្ទឹងសងកាយស្រអែមមានស្នេហ៍ងូតឹងកំសាន្តបងលួចមើលស្រីត្រូវមិត្តភាំងច្រើនធ្វើម្ដេចនឹងបានងូតឹងចិនស្រីអោស្រអែមអោស្រអែមមានបងអោស្រអែម Sorry guys. Sometimes I imagine what it would feel like to step out of this moment and walk into another time, not to escape my life, but just to feel it. Today I'm not trying to recreate 1963 perfectly. I don't need to be accurate, and I just want to borrow a feeling from that time. So I dress the way people once did. It is simple and it is classic, but yes, it is a little bold. And I walked into a coffee shop that felt like it belonged to another era. And honestly, this video isn't really about the clothes or the coffee or even the 1963, but it's about choosing to do something even when it feels uncomfortable. Because yes, I know people might look, people might judge, and some might not understand why I dressed like this in 2026. But today I didn't let that stop me. I realized something important. Confidence isn't loud, it doesn't need permission, and confidence is simply saying, this is what I love, and I'm allowed to enjoy it. For years, I cared so much about fitting in, about doing what makes sense to everyone else. Now I'm learning to do things just because they make my heart feels alive. For these few minutes, I give myself freedom. If there's something you want to do it, but you are shy. If there's something you love but feel shy about it, and I hope this reminds you, and you are allowed to enjoy it, you are allowed to take up space, and you are allowed to live your life your way. Today I'm so proud of myself, not because I went back in time, but because I stopped being afraid of being seen, and I feel so much confident in myself right now after I filmed this video, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.
'Cause we got time, we'll slow it all